Hello friends, I am Ashlesha Parida studying in class 2 from Mona Madan English Medium School, Sarangarh. Today my topic is about clock. The clock is an essential thing in our life. There are different types of clocks that people use, which help us to maintain our daily routine and schedules. The clock has 3 hands. This is minute hand, this is hour hand, this is second hand. 60 seconds accounts 1 minute, 60 minutes account 1 hour, and 1 day has 24 hours. When the big hand is present at 12 and the small hand present at 3, then it is 3 o'clock. When the big hand is at 12 and the small hand is present at 12, then it is 12 o'clock. Thank you.
My name is Rajvi Singh. I am from Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangarh, class 2. Today I am going to say a few lines about clock and time. This is my clock. This is shortest hand. This is called hour hand. This is minute hand, and this is second hand. There are 24 hours in one day. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. When minute hand completes one circle on the clock, it is called 1 hour. Half hour is equal to 30 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Akshata Tiwari from Mona Model English Medium School, Sarangarh, class 2. Today I am present the model of watch. It is the model of watch. The short hand points to hours and the long hand points to minutes. There are 5 minutes between each other. 1 hour has 60 minutes. 1 minute has 60 seconds. 1 day has 24 hours. Look at the picture and say the time. Now it is 7 o'clock. Now it is quarter past 4. Now it is half past 5. Now it is half past 1. Now it is quarter to 9. There are 7 days of a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. There are 12 months of a year. January, February, March, April, May, July, August, September, October, November, December. Thank you.
morning. I am a student of Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangar, from class 2nd Lotus. Today, I am telling about clock. This is the time on watch is 10:10. The 10:10 is discovered the watch and set the time the same name. So the symbol of on watch is 10:10. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Daksha Yadav, class 2nd from Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangar. I say about clock. This is a clock. Clock is 3 hands. This is a small hand. A small hand is hour hand. This is a long hand. Long hand is minute hand. This is a thin hand. Thin hand is second hand. Clock is 12 number. Each number is 5 minutes. 1 hour 60 minutes. 1 minute 60 seconds. Thank you.
This is Bhumika Siddharth. I study in class 2nd. My school name is Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangar. I am telling about clock. This is a clock. It has 3 hands. Hour hand, minute hand, second hand. It tells about 2 time. It is hung on the wall. Thank you.
My name is Suryansh Puri Goswami. I read in class 2 in Mona Model English Medium School, Sarangar. My topic is clock. It is a second hand. It is a hours hand. It is a minute hand. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This is my clock. Thanks.
My name is Prasad Manhar. I study in class 2. My school name is Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangar. I am tell about clock. This is wall clock. A day has 24 hours. We divided hours into minutes and seconds. An hour has 60 minutes. An minute has 60 seconds. In this clock, minutes is 10 o'clock, 10 minutes. And 37 seconds. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Alvanza, class 2, section Lotus. My school name is Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangar. My topic is clock. This is a clock. It is second hand. It is minute hand. It is hours hand. Half past 7:20 seconds.
is Sandeep Sarangade. I read in class 2. My school is Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangade. This is the clock. This is the shortest hand. This is the long hand. This is the second hand. Short hand is hour hand. Long hand is minute hand. This is the second hand. Time is 8 o'clock 20 seconds. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Chennapten. I study in class 2 in Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangad. Today I am here to present clock and time. This is the clock. This is space. This clock has 3 hands: hour hand, minute hand, second hand. Clock tells us the time. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Nancy Patel. I study in class 2 in Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangad. Today I am here to present clock and time. This is a clock. Its face is round. It has 3 hands: hour hand, minute hand and second hand. Thank you.
My name is Anya Thawait, class 2, Rose, Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangad. This is the clock. Hour hand, minute hand, and second hand.
Topic is time. This is shorter hand, this is longer hand, this is thin hand. Shorter hand 2, longer hand 6. Time is 2.5 past.
I am in 90 Sukars. I study in class 2nd. I study in class 2. My school name is Mona